Hey friends, made it to church on time, and I did it with wet hair. Watch this video and see how. Hey everybody, my husband just informed me that we were leaving early to go to church because we have to drop by and get donuts, which we had stopped doing because we weren't really serving them with the pandemic and everything, but we're going to serve them individually. So I forgot we have to leave a little bit early to go by the store. We have to be at our place, our facility at 9 o'clock. And so you see, I just got out of the shower. My hair is soaking wet. So what am I going to do? Because even if I was going to blow dry my hair, I would not have enough time to get it completely dry. So I want to talk first about when you get out of the shower, this is detrimental to twist your hair. I always twist it this way and like wring it out and then do like this while I'm in the shower and then twist it the other way. And you see I'm not getting any moisture really out of it now that I've already done that. So I didn't really have to even use a towel. I usually air dry my hair just because it's better on our hair, but I got to put my hair up and I don't have enough time to sit here and blow dry it. But I'm going to blow dry it just a little bit, mostly concentrating on the ends. And also this blow dryer has a cold feature so that it's not hot air. It's really important that we take care of our glory. And so I'm going to just do this for a few minutes. I would normally do it even for 10 minutes, maybe even until it was completely dry, as long as I am using the cold feature on my Remington. This has hairspray and everything else on it, sorry. But this is a really good blow dryer. It's worked for me for probably about 8 years, and it's a Remington. I don't know if they even sell them anymore, but I've had it for 8 years. I use it quite frequently, not daily, but it works. But the thing I love about it, and I'm sure other appliances have it, other hair drying appliances have it, and that is the freeze zone. But you gotta hold it in with your finger, turn on, and then I just concentrate on the ends. That's all I'm gonna do, is I'm just gonna give it a real quick touch, like so, and then I'm gonna put it up in the hairstyle I'm about to show you. Okay, so when I first started this, I had 17 minutes, and now I have 9. So I spent just a few minutes. You can see that my hair is not completely dry, but neither is it wet. And I don't like to put my hair up wet because I don't like the way, you can tell that it's still wet. And I don't want it to look greasy or, sometimes people, when they wear their hair wet, it just, at the top, you can see it looks wet. Now this will dry in the next hour. Fortunately, we have an hour before church starts. And so what I did is I put some hairspray on it. I didn't mention that, but so then once I get that going like that, I'm gonna slick this back just like it's a ponytail, and I'm gonna keep climbing. I like to keep climbing up until I'm at the top. And then I straighten these things out because I don't like my hair slicked back, but I don't like lumps. So when your hair is wet and you're putting your hair up, it's a different beast altogether. And so then I got that done. Also, I forgot to mention, when doing or blow drying your hair, I always use a hair protectorant. So now, if you see, I gathered that all up. My glasses are falling off. Like I'm going to do a ponytail. But then I just fold a little piece in half right there. And I have a lot of hair. So I grab it in my fist there. And I put the rubber band over that bump. Like that. Then pull it. Separate it in the middle. And pull it. And see how that makes like a fuller type of thing. And I've got this down. I'm going to quickly braid it like this. And when I say quick, I mean quick, because I am running out of time. We are usually very schedule-oriented people, and I can get ready really quick, because I like to go to bed at midnight. I wake up at 5, check Facebook, read the Bible, pray, and then I go back to sleep for a little bit. Okay, so I took that braid and I put it around the base of that bun, and then I use my spin pins. There's one spin pin. Here's two. Sorry, I'm looking away from the camera. I'm looking at my mirror because it's easier to see. That was two spin pins. I put one on the side. Now see how that clumped right there? I just can't. I'm canting. And then I'm going to do one more on this side. Like that. And you just spin it in. They hold so well. You know, you can shout, you can dance, you can praise. Now, to those of you that the governor has told that you can't sing today, I hope that music is still playing in the church and we can maybe put a mask on and sing. I don't know what the ramifications are. We don't have it in this state, but I sure am feeling really, really bad for those that they're saying they don't want them singing in the church. I guess they feel like, you know, the particles. I'm trying to find a headband that will match. Floral and polka dot. Here's a plain black. And this keeps going up. I wear a dress under my dress because I don't like the low separation there. Anyway, I am doing good on my time, I think. And then I can, once I put that on, you can just start pulling this up out of the top and the middle. Now, my hair is wet, but hopefully it doesn't look that wet. And then I can hit it again while it's up. I have a little something is out on my dryer. Like I said, I've had it for 8 years. I'm just going to hit the sides again with my last couple of minutes that I have, and then I'm going to run out the door. That'll dry those top layers. Again, using freeze makes it cold. So the air is cold and not heat. And we are ready to go and praise the Lord. Have a wonderful service today. Be grateful if you can gather. If you can't gather, get online, live view somewhere, worship the Lord, witness to somebody, teach a Bible study on Messenger or Zoom or something, and just be the church. We are the church. And I love the church, and I love the glory that He has given us, just trying to take care of it in a short amount of time. God bless you. Thank you for watching. If you got any value from this video, please like, subscribe, share. If you're not in our group, Pentecostal Hairstyles for the Updo Challenge, please join that group. And if you are in the group, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. We do Bible studies on here as well. We have a new series is starting. This is the Independence Day weekend. So next week, we're starting a brand new series. Come and join us. God bless you.